natin tong Who's at the Door. Let's go. Soul. Oh, Soul 1990. I am a psychiatric patient. Fuzzy hallucinations and voices are part of my everyday life. But lately, these hallucinations are lasting longer. Now they won't go away unless I take some medication. The boundary between reality and illusion is blurred even more, and I feel increasingly trapped between them. Every day, people with strange faces bring me medicine. I don't even have the strength to tell if they're real or hallucinations anymore. Yet, strangely, collecting dull pieces is the only thing that calms my mind. I don't know why. It just feels like the only hope I have left. If this is really a treatment, how much longer must I endure this pain? So kokolektahin natin yung mga dull pieces. For sure, ito yung gagawin natin. Sige. Hello, thank you
Your
for joining.
symptoms are gradually improving. After just 8 more days of treatment, you should be able to return to your normal life. However, if you also see strange figures inside your house, this could be a sign that your hallucinations are worsening. In such cases, immediately take your prescribed medication, or try to calm yourself quietly in your room. Hang in there just a little longer, and you'll make a full recovery.
Okay. 8 days. Okay, 8 days. It's quiet now. No voices, no shadows. Should be safe to open the door at a time like this. Right? Okay. Sige. If the hallucinations disappear or return to normal, it's safe to open the door. If the hallucinations don't go away, take meds instead. Maglalak. Kumatok. Visitors, ano to? Malaki. Mabang buhok. Malaki mata. Maliit ang mata. Ito. Balbas. Isang mapula ang mukha na nakangiti. Tapos mga yung pilik mata. Okay. Space, crouch. Space, crouch. Okay, okay. Space, crouch. Okay. I suffer from hallucinations every day. Usually I'm fine, but I need to watch out for these types of hallucinations. Those that don't disappear. Oh, shit. Those that chase me. Aray ko. Warning, if they touch me, I'll faint. If it's gone, I can relax. May nangahabol. Watch out. Yung nangahabol, tsaka yung hindi nawawala. Aray ko. Okay. Okay, nalala ko kanina may dal daw eh, dal. Uy. Yun. Yun. Ay, ako ba yun? Okay. Ako ba yun? Ako ba yun? Okay, ganito yung bahay. Okay. 1. May aquarium. Okay. Sana alls. Ito, ano to? Ito. Okay. Hallucination. Okay. Alam ko na. Bilangin natin to. Tingnan natin yung mga laman. Pag may nagbago, hallucination yan. Okay. So, dalawang soju dito. Top left. Isa, lower right. Tapos, ito, kupay. Ito, ano to, yung fruit salad. Yung nakabote, yung naka, ano, lata, malaki. Fruit salad, malaki. Kupay. Paunan, pula at mangkok. Okay, okay. So ito, isang soju lang, isang nakatumba. Okay, so dalawa. Tig-isa sila, isang tayo, isang nakatumba. Ito ilan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, apat. Apat na mansanas. Wala yung kumakatok ah. CR. Ano meron dito? Yung tunog. Okay, so tatlong tuwalya, dalawang tissue, dalawang toothbrush. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Okay. Long reflection. Ano, multo? Sabon na walang bulb. Shampoo, shower. Okay. Uy, putang. What the hell? Okay, mukhang stable naman. What the hell? Okay. Gamot, okay. Gamot yun, gamot. Okay, day 2. Yun. Need adult. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Kinang... Dal. Saan ang ating god? Dal. Ano ko yung manika? Dalawa, isa. Kompleto yung kupay. Fruit salad, baunan, mangkok. Isa, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Mukhang okay naman yung CR. Okay, okay. Sige. Okay, malinis, malinis. Ben, yung katok ng katok. Shit. Nakakatakot yung katok. Yan, nabubuksan pala to? Okay. Okay. Okay naman so far. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Shampoo, body shower. Sabon na walang ball. Okay, mukhang okay naman so far. Hallucinating, wala naman ah. Uy! Balbas? Ito ba yung kanina? Ah, siya yung visitor, di ba? Ano ba nakalagay hallucinating? Pag stable, buksan. Ah, pag hallucinating, take medicine. Wala naman, no? So far, okay naman. Pero may binanggit siya, dal eh. Dal. Saan mo ko yung dal? Baka may na-miss ako. Wait lang. Bago natin buksan yung pinto. Dal. Wala naman. Okay naman lahat. Okay naman. Wala namang dal. Saan yung dal? Ba to? Anong dal yun? Wala naman eh. Okay, mukhang okay naman. Oh. Shoot. Nangiti yan oh. Reset. Okay, day 3, day 3. Parang, parang pag tahimik, nakakatakot lalo. No? Dapat may kumakatok eh. Parang nakatakot naman to lalo. Uy, to. Putang ina mo. Hallucinating, hallucinating, hallucinating. Ah, hell, bro. Sabi na, pag tahimik, mas nakakatakot eh. Ano na? Nanday. Shit, ang sakit. Oh. Day. Day, man. Day 4. Dahil yung dalang nagbabatter. Piling ko importante yun eh. Hindi lang basta yung day 8. Okay, so. Huh? Diyan ba yun? May ganyan ba kanina? Parang wala, no? Ganyan ba? Parang ngayon ko lang ito nakita. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama ba ako? Parang ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Walang ganyan kanina, no? Hindi, tingin pa tayo ibang sign. Piling ko may iba pang sign yan eh. Saan yung dal? Sa dal ako nagwo-worry. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Ay, wala pa rin tong ball. Super kompleto. Yung dal. Saan yung dal? Ang tanong, yung dal, importante yon. Ha? Uy, putang. Shit. Shit. Don't get too close. Saan? Don't get too... Saan? Too close saan? Shoot. Pa yan? Uy, put... Ano yan? Diyan lang ba yan? Sasara ko to. Mukhang mukhang burat. Hallucination yan, matik. Pero ko habulin niya ako eh. Diba? Piling ko talaga habulin niya ako. Sunshine Clinic. Ah, bahala ako dyan. Pero yung dal, piling ko importante yung dal eh. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Wala pa ring ball. Malinis pa rin so far. Pero, sa dal ako nagwo-worry. Okay. Okay. Okay ba? Okay ba lahat? Okay naman no? Wala namang ano. Wala naman yung manika. Isa kaya yun. May hallucination ako. Day 6. Parang, so far ang ano, parang Tatlo na lang, oh. If done, okay pa din. Pero yung manika. Yung manika, saan kaya yun? Wala pa rin yung manika, eh, no? Parang tahimik. Ayoko ng tahimik. Ganito. Uy! Hello? Opo, nandiyan po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Dal? Oo nga, no? Ano yan? I always dreamed about becoming famous. But now... ano? Multi hallucination yung kasi nagsalita eh. Sige yan tayong gamot. Pero, what ito? Wala yan kanina, di ba? Wala to kanina eh. Diba? Multi hallucination to. Kasi wala yan. Ngayon ko lang nakita yan. Nandito to ah. Okay. May andyan nga talaga yan. Baka di ko lang napansin nung una. Sige, 4 pa rin. Okay. 3, 1. Okay, kompleto pa rin. Kompleto. Pero feeling ko hallucination kasi wala to dyan eh. 3, 2. Wala pa ring ball. Okay, kompleto. Yan. Sino to? Ito ata yung sinasabi nila ano eh, yung kanina. Ay oo, yung pilik mata niya oh. Tapos pula yung mukha. Ang ngiti, siya nga yun. Pero, may ganito. Wait, para sure. Kaya, para sure. Tinanay ako takutin ng asawa ko eh. Batok sa bintana. Wala to kanina, di ba? Alam ko wala to eh. Pero so far mukhang okay naman. Pero yung manika nagsalita. So, wala talaga to, promise. Meron dito kulay blue. Yun oh, iba na oh. Kulay blue to eh, tapos wala to eh. Hindi ito safe, promise. Pala na. Ano mangyari ba kung mali? Oh, sabi sa'yo eh. Tama ako eh. 2 araw na lang guys. 2 araw na lang. Okay. Okay, so yun pala yung manika. Dito na pupunta. Okay. Ay, mukhang safe pa din. Okay. Ay. Okay, mukhang wala namang bago. O, diba? Wala yung pula kanina. Tapos kulay blue to. Ayun. Ayun, manika. I met Bori at the bar across from my place. She sang there. Her beautiful face and sweet voice captivated me. I had to get close to her. There's something about her. Scary actually. Okay. Look. Hallucination. Nakatakot naman buksan. Ba't kasi nag-deliver ng gamot alas 2, 2:30? Saan ka? Yun. Wala nang bago. Apat. Okay. So far so good, pero hallucination to. May ganyan eh, oh. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Dalawa. Kala ko mata to. Okay. Hallucination to, promise. What the hell? Sorry, pero I can't risk it. Hallucination, no? Ah. Day 8. Okay. Ah. Day 8, guys. Day 8. Uy, paa na lang kulang. Paa na lang. Pero, ang tahimik ah. Tahimik masyado. Pula. Pula, oh. Tapos may ulo. Hallucination to, automatic. Hallucination to, automatic. Wala namang ganyan yan eh. Okay, deliver 230. Okay, hindi pa rin yung kupay, fruit salad, baunan tsaka mangkok. Ito pa rin, 4. Pero ito hindi ko ito mapapalampas. May ulo eh, oh. Day 8 na eh, dapat nandito yung dal. Yung paa. Ayun oh. Eh, one day she confided in me about a man who followed her every night. He might be a stalker. Come stay at my place for a while. Oh, it's closer to the bar, you know. She first looked at me hesitantly but then agreed. Hey, it's time to make your dream come true. Huh? Okay, tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Okay. Di talaga safe. Dito pa lang oh, halataan no. So, pero tingnan natin ang itsura. Yan, yung mga bulbul. Ay, wala na. Oh, day 9. Oh, day 9 ano meron? Ay, normally here. Okay. Pero ang dilim. Okay. Okay. Oh, nakapatay oh. Ay, nakabukas to. Parang mas nakaka ano naman. 235. Wala naman. Okay. Ano to? Lalabas ako? Hindi. Ano ba? Tingin nyo? Mas nakakatakot naman yung dulo. Hindi. Sisigaw na lang ako. Agad-agad. Pre-scream. Pre-scream. Para mailabas mo na agad yung takot. Yung kasi kaysa hintayin mo pang dumating mismo yung sitwasyon bago ka sumigaw, mas nakakatakot yun. So pre-scream. Pre-scream is precaution and precaution is always better than medication. Pre-scream tayo. Okay. Okay. Ah. 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 Oh, ayun pinto, di ba? Ah. Ah. Oh, okay naman. Oh, ano yun?
You went outside? That's impossible. Are your symptoms getting worse? You're still taking your medication, right? Please wait just a little longer. I'll come see you soon.
Huh? Day 1. Oh, normal naman. Day 1 ulit? My head hurts. Hindi naman naulit eh, oh. I vividly remember being hit with a blunt object, but even this... Hmm. Kung okay naman lahat. Oh, ulo na naman. Uy! Ano yun? Hallucination ba yun? Hallucination yun eh. Ba't ano yung ano eh? Tatlo, dalawa. Hindi, hallucination yun, feeling ko. Oh, oh, nakatakot naman. Ano ba? Hindi, hallucination yun. Oh, diba? Day 2. Pero wala, ano ba mangyayari kung mali ka? Ano ba mangyayari? Oh, hallucination na naman oh. Iba to eh oh. Wala naman. Phone yan eh. Phone yun nandyan, diba? Hallucination. Automatic hallucination. Automatic na yan. Ang ngiti. Siya yung pula. Okay. Siya yung mapula yung mukha. Pero, hindi. Hallucination to. Oh, diba? Okay. Ano namang bago? Okay. Pero ang tahimik. Nakaka-bother. Kompleto naman, kompleto. Okay. Ano yun? Puta ina mo! Ay. Ayoko ng mga ganito eh. Uy! Tinuturo niya yung pinto eh. So, napunta ba ako? Hindi. Nakabukas oh. Cannot take it yet. Cannot take it yet eh. Tahimik naman bigla. Nakabother. Pinto, nakaturo dito. Okay. Oh.
Where am I? Excuse me, Doctor. Someone, please.
Ah, you're awake.
What is it?
Sooner than expected.
Why am I tied up?
Di kita.
Untie me! Right now!
I can't do that. You're about to become something more special. Of course, you're already beautiful enough. Yet beneath the surface, I believe a truly perfect form lies hidden. You'll
Yung
become
boses
so
niya.
beautiful, even your reflection
Please,
won't
stop
recognize
it!
you.
Don't!
Lugo.
Don't move.
Ano yan?
You'll mess up that flawless
Oop.
skin. If you keep moving,
Hala.
you might not turn out as pretty.
Uy! Oh, ba't day one ulit? Ba't day one ulit? Yung boses ng doktor sa phone, parang siya yung doktor. Parang dapat niya
Next is a follow-up report on the previous incident. We continue to receive testimonies from victims who underwent illegal medical procedures at an unknown location. The police promise to focus all efforts on making a swift arrest based on the victim's statements, warning that the suspect may still be holding test subjects captive and continuing his illegal activities. As soon as more information becomes available, we will keep reporting on this case.
illegal procedures. Huh? Oo nga, no? Could I be held captive like those people in the news? Oo nga, no? Ito. Okay, kompleto naman. Okay, kompleto pa rin. 322. Okay. Okay, mukhang safe naman. Burot. Tahimik ka. Ito. Matik, hallucination. Matik. Matik. Ay, nakaupo lang naman siya. Uy! Ang ganyanan, boy. Pangit. Nakatayo lang naman siya, eh, oh. Kasi pa ba oras? Oh. Ray 3. Don't look away. Ish. Uy! Ina mo. Paano ko mainom yung gamot? Ah. Okay. Okay. Kompleto naman. Umiiyak. Ching-chong. Okay. Okay. Ay. Merong ulo pa rin, no? Hallucination to. Hallucination na naman. Sige. Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Hallucination to. Pero tingin lang tayo dito. Baka meron mga kung ano namang dagdag ano. Hallucination to. Tingnan lang natin to. Charot to. Kunya 150. Gamot tayo, gamot. J5. Okay. Okay, we're doing good so far. Di man tayo nagkakamali. Kung magkamali man tayo, kung bubuksan yung pinto, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Pero so far, so good. Continue lang yung rigor. Okay. Wala namang nagbago. Okay. Okay, yung pa din. Okay. 4, isa. 2. Okay, kompleto. Malinis. Notebook.
Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed? She's very sick right now. Your number was the only one written in her notebook. Bori has been asking for you a lot. She must have relied on you quite a bit. If you don't mind.
So?
Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed?
Ulit?
She's very sick right now.
Uy, paiba-iba yung
Your
oras.
number was the only one written in her notebook.
Oh, hallucination to, automatic. Hallucination.
Bori has been asking for you a lot. She must have relied on you quite a bit. If
Hallucination
you don't
to.
mind.
Magalo yung oras eh. Yung mga ganyan, pati pala may ganyan no, kahit kasimpleng ganyan lang dapat aware ka. Eh, 150 na naman. Pwede sinta. Day 6. Okay. 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 Malinis. Si Ching Chong umiiyak. Okay, yun pa din. Oh, yung Ching Chong, di ako racist ah. Okay, 4. Sa isa. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. 250, yun pa din. So far, malinis. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Parang lang reflection. Dapat hallucination to, wala akong reflection eh. Pero all goods naman so far, no? Nothing strange. Linis naman lahat. Sige. Okay. So, buksan natin yung pinto. Huh? Dalawa yung... Safe ba to? Hallucinating to. Pero okay naman lahat. Huh? Parang... Pili ko kasi yung salamin yung problema eh. Pero... hallucinating to. Ayaw mag-risk. Oh. Oo, di ba? Mag-risk ko ganun. Tahimik ka. Okay. Umiiyak pa rin si Ching Chong. Okay pa din. Okay. Oh. Hallucination. Nagsalita yung manika. Matik na to. Nagsalita yung manika. Uy! Hallucination to. Hallucination to. Gamot tayo, maggamot. Natin yung mukha. Okay, si 150 pa din. Pero... oh! Oh, naging day 1. Don't look away. Uy! Vinsyo, lapit ka. Kumatapang ka, boy. Ah, talagang sumisimple siya. Sumisimple siya. Nagagamot ako. Uulit. Ah, baka pag mali, uulit. Baka ganun. Pero kasi, di ba? Hindi ko matanggap. Yung katawan naman, yung torso. Mamaya, mali na naman. I caught the man who was following Bori. He quickly tried to leave, saying, "I'm sorry, I must have mistaken you for someone else. His name is Takgu. He said his young daughter was kidnapped and went missing long ago. He must have mistaken Bori for his daughter. Takgu." Takgu. Wala naman, no? Okay naman lahat. Lupit ba to? Lupit ba dyan kanina pa? Lupit ba yun kanina pa? Oo nga, no. Tingnan natin kung magkamali ako. Ang mangyayari. Uy! Ganun ang mangyayari pag namali ka ng bukas. Pero tanong anong mali dun? Mukhang tatlong mani ka bubuuin ko. After ng kay doktor. Ay, after nito. Yung paa. How about a hair transplant? Your daughter would like it too. The man was left only with guilt for not being able to save his daughter. Drunk every day. Takgu hung his head. Okay. I couldn't stop myself from laughing. Apat. Malinis naman, no? All goods naman. Okay. Okay naman, no? Wala, oh. Okay, wala yung tatlo. Oh, tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Diba sabi sa'yo, malaking bagay yung mga ganun eh. Hallucination. Hallucination. Automatic. Si 150, pero hallucination to. Natin kung mag-day 1. Oh, day 2. Diba? Observant to, boy. Kompleto na yung manika na pangalawa. Parang tahimik. Parang tahimik. Kompleto pa din. Parang tahimik masyado. Orasan, okay. Parang wala to, no? Itong green. Oh, tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. O, diba? Walang lubid. Host yun eh. Nakadila na to. Nakadila ba talaga yun? Uy! Nakadila na to. Hindi nakadila, diba? Naanguso lang yun eh. Di siya yan? Di siya yan? Tapos merong ingay, matik. Hallucination. Oh, day 3. Ito naanguso lang yun eh. Kaya naman naanguso yun dito eh. Naanguso yung ano lang. Oo, naanguso yun. Hindi labas dilan. Okay, kompleto na natin yung dalawa. Oo nga, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Tatlo nga. May tatlo pa dito. Day 2 na tayo, day 2. Ang tahimik masyado. Parang, ay hindi, ayan na. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ang galing yun? Apat. Tatlo, dalawa. Ang malinis. Ang okay naman ang lahat. Okay, mukhang safe. Mukhang safe naman, no? Safe, no? Safe? Uy! Ba't mali? Day 1 ulit. O, di ba mauulit lang? Ba't mali? Ah, yung tunog kanina. Yung tunog kanina yun. Tit! Hallucination na to. Huwag naman natin patagalin. Hallucination, huwag natin patagalin. Pero tingin lang tayo. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Okay, wala pa rin tong bulbol. Okay, okay. Tignan natin yung mukha. Si 150 pa din. Pero hallucination to. Mansanas eh. Nabulok na. Di ba? Day 2. Game! Laban lang. Okay. All goods. All goods. All goods. All goods. Dalawa. Okay. Okay naman ang lahat. Okay naman. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Okay. Orasan. Okay. Malinis. Tapos pa talaga dila niya? Tapos pa talaga dila niya? Labas ba? Wala na nga, take the risk na. Diba? Yung labas dila niya, tama nga ako. Muso nga lang yun, muso lang. Okay, okay lang. Lesson learned, lesson learned. Huwag natin patagalin. Okay, mukhang okay. Oh, may gunting. May gunting doon. Huwag naman natin patagalin. Papatagalin pa eh. Cannot take it yet. Bawal. Sige. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Day 2. Day 2 na. Okay. Okay naman dito. Huh? Ano yun? If I hide, it will disappear on its own. Ba't binasa ko muna yun? Uulit na naman. Apat. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Okay. So far, good na. Oh. Bata. Mukhang okay naman. So, naka-scarf na siya. Naka-scarf na, nakadila pa. Hallucinating to. Okay, wala nakasulat. Okay. Ah, ayun. Ayun. Yan. Baby? Pitos? Pitos? Kasi ganyan, kailangan naman, pwede mo nakabukas na lang yun lagi. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Mukhang okay siya, pero may pitos doon. So, hallucinating. Yan. Diba? Okay. Okay naman. Ito. Okay, mukhang okay naman so far. Okay. Okay. Goods naman lahat so far. Pero, wala yung sapatos. Okay, hallucinating to. Hallucinating. Wala yung sapatos ko doon. Wala yung sapatos ko. Diba? Yun si 150, pero wala yung sapatos. Hallucinating. Hallucinating to. Day 4 mo, day 4 mo. Day 4. So good. No unusual. Di ba nakangiti to? Alam ko nakangiti yan eh. Alam ko nakangiti si Ching Chong eh. Baka na. Lagay ko lang siya sa list ko kung magkamali. Oh, may scarf siya ulit to. Ba yan? Oh, may scarf. Hallucinating. Medyo safe. Look. Uy! Pwede balik ako sa una. Ulit. May katapasan ba tong laro nito? Oh, mukhang okay naman lahat. Mukhang okay naman eh. Paano ba ito matatapos? May mga ganun. Oh, mukhang okay naman. Tatlo, dalawa, dalawa. Safe. Ang safe. Anong mali? What? Anong mali? Don't get too close. Saan ay? Nandun? Oh? Wala. Yun pa rin naman. Too close saan? Saan? Uy! Pwedeng. Ikaw rin yun ah. Ikaw yun oh. Tama ba ako? O, day, tama. Okay, mukhang okay naman. So far. Tatlo, dalawa. Uy, iba. Hallucinating. Tapos naka-scarf pa. Day 3 mo. Day 3 yan. O, diba? Iba yun eh. Pero alam ko walang scarf yun. Nalilito na tuloy ako. Nakadila siya pero walang scarf. Tama naman. 4, may pula. 2, isa. Okay naman lahat. Okay naman. Hallucinating to. Medyo tricky na yung laro kasi nga patapos na ata. Hallucinating to. Oh. Ayun oh. Diba may yung parang bula. Hallucinating to. 100%. Hallucinating. Oh. Hallucinating yan. Sure na. Hallucinating. Nag-iba eh. Tapos wala tong ganito kanino. Yung parang basahan. Hallucinating. Pero kasi baka may manika. Yun ang hinahanap ko naman yung manika eh. Tatlo, dalawa. Hallucinating. Walang 150 dito. Day 5 mo. Day 5. Huh? Those that don't disappear. Okay. Kasi now, hindi naman, if it's gone, I can relax. Okay. Okay lang yan. Oh, may ganito na. Wala yan eh. Wala to eh, wala yan eh. Yung gold na yan eh, wala yan eh. Oh, may ulo ng baboy oh. Oh, hallucination na yan. Hallucination na to. Pero yung manika, baka may dyan na yung ulo ng manika. Ito dalawa, wala pa rin yung manika. May scrap ba talaga siya? Alam ko wala eh. Kanina pa ako. All goods. Oh, di ba wala yung gold? Isa, dalawa. Apat pa rin yung mansanas. Alam mo sa TV. All goods. Diba nandiyan talaga yun? Hindi na ako sure. Oh! 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 Hallucinating to. Huwag natin patagalin. Hallucinating. Oh! Shit eh. Pag tumali pa, ewan ko na lang. Day 3 na ha. Linis naman lahat. Okay. Okay, umiyak pa rin si Chong. Yan. May ibang katok. Oh, may ibang. Oh, may dugo. May dugo. May dugo. May dugo. Uy! May dugo. Matic hallucination. Pero wala na eh, oh. Wala na. Diba? I can relax. If it's gone, I can relax, sabi. So, okay to. Tama, okay to. If it's gone, I can relax. Yun ang sabi. If it's gone, I can relax. If it's gone, I can relax. Oh. Relax. Okay na ako, no? Okay, good. Day 4. Oh, if it's gone, I can relax. Mag-worry lang ako kapag hindi nawawala. Tsaka nangahabol. Okay. Umiiyak pa rin si Chong. Okay pa rin TV. Okay. Isa-isa. Occupy. Fruit salad, takalata, okay pa din. 4. Medyo tricky. Mamaya naman tayo na miss. Oh! Ano yan? Ano to? Oh, hindi nawawala. Somatic ano na to? Hindi nawawala, oh. Diba? Hindi nawawala. Day 5. If it's gone, I can relax. Kapag hindi nawawala at nangahabol, doon lang ako magme-medicine. Okay. But may scarf na siya all the time. May scarf ba talaga siya? Oh! Oh, if it's gone, I can relax. Hindi nawawala, oh. Hindi nawawala. Basic. Nakamadali yun sa lahat. Day 6 na. Manika. Asan na yung manika? Hinintay ko mawala. Hindi mo nawawala kanina eh. Gagamot tayo, gamot. So, umiyak si Chong. Okay. Ano pa din? Isa. Oh, tumatagos. Hallucination to, tumatagos eh. 4. Wala naman, no? Mukhang okay lahat. 3, 2. Shampoo, body shower, yun pa din. So far, okay. Pero, ilang beses na tayo na palpak? Oh. Siya yung malapit. Galit eh, oh. Okay, safe naman. Day 7. 2 na lang, guys. Oh. May umiyak. Ay, ito. Hallucination nga. Automatic. Hallucination. Automatic na, boy. Hallucination. Hindi siya bumalik, oh. Dalawa. 3, 2. Shampoo, hose. Okay. Natin kung bumalik. Hindi pa din. Hallucination. Hallucination. Gamot. Day 8. Last day, the purge. Ano to? Nakakahilo. Siguro dagdag siyang ano, panggulo. Mukhang okay naman lahat to, pero parang panggulo siya. Hindi nawawala eh. Hallucinating na to, no? Hindi nawawala eh, oh. Hallucinating to. Sure ako. Day 9. Ba? Was this... Huh? Sige. Ito ba?
Oh, you're awake, Taku. That hair transplant surgery I mentioned earlier, I just came up with a really ingenious method. I'm going to do it myself, for you. Your daughter will be delighted to see this too. Soon, you'll be completely transformed. Taku, open your eyes. The surgery went absolutely perfectly. Now, how about you take a look in the mirror? Even you won't recognize yourself. Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Bori stayed?
Yun yung
She's
doktor.
very sick right now. Your number was the only one written in her notebook.
Teacher.
Oh, yes, that's right. How is Bori?
Bori has been asking for you a lot. She must have relied on you quite a bit. If you don't mind.
Yes, I'll head there right away.
Kids. So, yung visitor, sila rin yun. So, itong una, naging ganun siya. Yung buhok niya, bawas-bawas. Punta dito. Yun yung nasa bibig niya, yung nasa bunganga. Ito na lang yung pula-pula na lang iniisip ko saan galing. Sige. Okay, medyo nagigits ko na yung laro. Yung kwento pala.
The suspect involved in the illegal medical practice case has been apprehended. Currently, he is denying all charges and continues to make controversial claims that human will and mental strength can overcome any pain. In addition, he has gone so far as to make statements that glorify past acts of brutal human experimentation, and a psychiatric evaluation is now scheduled to be conducted.
Kala mo lang. I thought I may be one of the imprisoned victims. But now I feel like I can break free from that fear. Kala mo lang, boy. Isa. Okay, apat pa din. Mukhang okay naman lahat, no? Yun, ito siya, oh. Si Takgo. Oo, ngayon si Takgo. Gamot. Okay. Pang safe. Ito talaga hindi kataka ko ano to eh. Hindi mo siya mukhang unan. Baka unan. Ewan. Safe. Okay. Sa isa. Okay. Okay pa naman. Oh! Hindi natin umawala. Balikin natin mamaya. Yun ata yung Miss Gomo eh. Balikin natin kung nandun pa. May ulo. Yun oh. Toto si Miss Gomo. Tignan natin kung nandun pa siya. Oh, yan pa. Hallucinating. Gamot tayo, gamot. Dami naman yun. Okay. Wala namang note. Mukhang okay. Mukhang namang okay so far. Apat. Okay. Oh? Financial crisis looms. Desperate citizens turn to cults. Okay. Nawala naman na eh. So safe na to. Kasi nawala na yung mga madumi. Mga insekto. Tatlo, dalawa. Okay, andyan pa din. Okay. Tapos... Okay, mukhang okay naman. Nawala na eh. Naka-scarf sa dila. Okay nga. Wala talaga to kanina yung scarf na to eh. Pero meron na. Pero sige lang. Okay. Day 4 na, day 4. Okay naman bago. Ito yung katawan niya. I kept thinking about a teacher, Miss Gomo, whom I met through Bori. Even amid rumors of her husband's business failure and her son's college rejection, she was someone who always gave children a warm smile. Why did she fall to that cult? Like adults in this room, could she too be trapped by something she's already lost? Connected nga yung mga manika. Pero ba't may manika? Ang tanong, di ba? Ang weird. Saan galing yun? Parang hindi ito yung ano. Parang hindi yan yung gripo. Hindi yan yung gripo, no? Pero hindi ganyan yung gripo eh. Kasi yun po, may pangit po. Hindi yan yung gripo eh. Hindi siya kumakatok, pero may kumakatok dun. Okay, hallucinating. Day 6. Day 6 ba? Day 6, day 5. Day 5. Ano pa? 4. To, yung katawan na lang. I hoped she would have the strength to overcome her misfortunes. I found her contact information among Body's belongings and got her to come here under pretense that Body was sick. Hmm. Ano yun? Yun ba talaga yun? Kanina? Baka nga kayo nag-hallucinate. Tsaka ba't pala may bintana dyan? Kasi may bintana dyan. Creepy. Oh, okay naman lahat, no? Orasan. Okay. Tama lang yung andar. Walang problema sa pag-andar. Okay naman. Tatlo, dalawa. Miss Gomu Boritaku. Were they all ultimately victims of that doctor? Kaya si Miss Gomu, you know. Oh! Ito! Hindi mawala. Hindi nawala, oh. Bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi nawala. Inom tayo. Yun. Was it all just a dream? Not just Body, but Miss Gomu too. My growing anxiety tells me they might all have fallen victim to that person. Pero umiiyak pa rin si Chong. Graduated pa rin yung mag-ina. Body. Miss Gomu. Okay. Sige. May note. Ano to? To inscribe the sacred... yung sigil? Ay, kagi. To carve the talisman and invite fortune remarks. Multiple hallucination observed during the procedure. Kagi. Okay naman lahat. Ang weird. Baka yung doktor na yun, no? Kasi yung uno niya, sabi niya, impossible. Gumanon eh. Nung palabas siya. Oh! Tingnan natin kung mawawala yan. Balikan natin. So, dalawa. Hindi nawala. Sheesh! Hindi nawala, oh. Hintay gamot. Seven. Tapos natin siya. Chong, umiyak pa rin si Chong. Graduated ang mag-ina. Lagi ko itong tinitignan. Ewan ko bakit. Itong 350. Ito. 350, 1230. Ano ko? Ang catch niya sa akin eh. 4. Okay. Mukhang okay naman. Mukhang okay naman. Kaya nga mas nakakatakot. Okay. 3, 2. May olo. May manika. May olo. Na hindi nawawala. Oh! Ano ba? Tang... Ino mo? So, okay, umiyak pa rin si Chong. Graduated pa rin ng mag-ina. Ito ata ako eh. Okay. Wala namang bago. Ano pa din? 3:50, 12:30. Okay naman lahat. Uy! Pinawala oh. Pinawala. Lagi siya nawala oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nung tayo gamot. Day 9 na. The Daliscon. Okay, mukhang okay ah. Lalabas ata tayo ulit. Lalabas nga. Uy!
Where is this place? Why are you all here? What is this? Why are you doing this to me? Untie me. Right now!
The pills you took were poison that slowly eats away at your brain. Seeing you flail around lost in hallucinations was truly entertaining.
The pain and despair we endured. Now it will seep into your flesh and bones.
You're no savior. Your greed made us what we are, and now we'll become your nightmare.
You're no savior. Ah,
Aren't
akin
you
yung doktor!
excited? Our masterpiece.
Ako yung doktor pala. Tama ba ako? Kakaintindi?
The perpetrator of those horrific human experiments has gone missing.
Yes, Mr. Kim, who had received a life sentence, was controversially released on parole 10 years ago and has since vanished without a trace.
Yes, there are also suspicions of medical record trading with higher-ups behind the parole decision, right?
Yes, human rights groups strongly opposed the decision at the time, and after his disappearance, there were even suggestions that the victims' families might have kidnapped him.
This led to renewed scrutiny of his past. His brutal crimes committed under the banner of human experimentation.
It's hard to believe that a person could do such things to another human.
Talaga.
Yes, the case remains unsolved, and Kim's whereabouts are still a complete mystery. Where could he possibly be? This has been Caseline. Thanks for watching.
Diba?
What do you really think happened to Mr. Kim?
Well, I guess he probably didn't survive long. Honestly, someone like that deserves to be punished just as cruelly.
Ano naman?
Rip, destroy, tear apart, and make sure he suffers just as much, if not more, with the most agonizing pain possible. That's what I would do.
O, diba? Yung mata niya ganun, no? Pula-pula siya. Siya nga yung doktor. Ako, yung player. Okay. Ang talino nung twist. Ang galing. Pinagtripan pala siya ng mga yun. Tatlo, hindi mo pinagtripan, parang ginantihan. Pero gusto nila gawin mo na siyang parang baliw. Na-hallucinate. Tapos ginantihan siya. Grabe yun. Okay. At least makatulog na ako ng mahimbing. Kasi tapos ko na to. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, mag-subscribe kayo. Libre lang. Peace.